True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So guys, I'm in St. Elizabeth. Yeah man. And place them call name Welcome to Great Bay Treasure Beach. Yeah man. So me I go a Great Bay in the Treasure Beach area guys. Yeah man. So this is the 20th of November after Hurricane Melissa affected some areas in Jamaica. Yeah man, I giving an update, put it on the map and show you where I go on to Jamaica, you know. So big up on yourself anyone who watch from yard and abroad. Yeah man, just stick and watch and see where I go on, you know. You don't know say Jamaica with there. Still I enjoy life no matter what the storm will blow. We still I give thanks, right? So take the journey with your tour guide, Fire Reid. Yeah man. Jamaica tour after Hurricane Melissa. Yeah man, I tour Jamaica. I love Jamaica so, and I love my Jamaican people. I love my fans all over the world. So I take the time off to show them what I go on. Indicate where you're watching from, man. I put this on the map after Hurricane Melissa, you know. You can see this person lose some zinc. You can say fairly new, lose some zinc here, so. Yeah man, see them on the driveway there. Things soon come back to normal, you know, but not at the moment, you know. We just have to help each other. And if you can't help yourself, you just help yourself and just do what you have to do. A lot of people are going to wait out for hands out from the government. That's not going to be an easy task, you know. Yeah man, everybody have them Starlink, you know. You know it's a Great Bay close to the beach side. Yeah man, see man how stop tear off there. Come off complete. Yeah man, so I go on, you know. Oh boy, man, I tell you say I don't nothing normal with people. See, if I want you to take your life, you can build and come again, man. Even better. Yeah, so don't really stress out yourself too much and say, boy, you're not going to be able to make it in a life again. Just take your time and build again, you know. May take a little bit longer time, but you're going to build better. See, a lot of trucks coming around this side. I don't know if they're having they're building up a plaza around here. I don't know what's happening around here, you know, guys. Whoa, watch on this building right here. Maybe this could be this. Maybe this is an Airbnb. Never can tell. Big gate. Oh, wow! Look at this. Big gate, my people. Treasure Beach Estate. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Have to get something on this, you know. This place got a nice road, with people. One place I'm calling him Treasure Beach Estate. I mean, I tell you, say a whole heap of road. Yeah, man. see it. People are them matches out on the street. Not easy for our Jamaican people. Really rough, my people. Yeah, man, see people still a pump out water out of them yard. See that? I don't see any dung power lines like that in this area. See few trees cut up.